Tired of juggling between Zoho CRM and Zoho campaigns? Let's bridge that gap and unlock seamless marketing automation by integrating Zoho CRM with Zoho campaigns in this short video. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Then, navigate to the setup page by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the setup page, scroll down and locate the Marketplace section. Click on Zoho. From the Zoho Marketplace, find and select Zoho Campaigns. You'll be directed to the Zoho Campaigns integration page here. Click the Install button to initiate the integration process. A pop-up window will appear asking for permission to access your Zoho CRM data. Carefully review the permissions and click Continue to grant access. Next, select the Zoho CRM modules you want to sync with Zoho campaigns, such as leads and contacts. This ensures relevant data is shared between the two platforms. Configure your sync settings, including sync frequency and data mapping, to ensure a smooth flow of information. Once the integration is complete, you'll see a new campaigns-related list within your Zoho CRM records, providing valuable insights into campaign engagement directly within your CRM. Now you're all set. Enjoy streamlined marketing and enhanced data visibility.